Today I'm working on a Toro 22298 commercial lawnmower with the Kawasaki FJ180v engine. This machine does not start. I'll take you through the process of diagnosing and repairing it. We'll start the process with a quick inspection of the condition of the fuel. Just what I love. Fuel tank freshly topped off. We all know what that means. It's been left sitting with fuel in it. Somebody decided to fill it up with gas. Now it doesn't start. Let's have a look inside the air filter. Oh, it just reeks. Reeks of old fuel. And I don't know if you can see it in the video, but all kinds of wet old fuel from a leaking carburetor down inside. No need to really go any further, but it's always fun to pull a spark plug. Saturated with fuel and reeks so bad I can smell the fuel that's on it and the fuel coming out of the cylinder from a foot away. Well, just for grins, I'll take the bowl off the carburetor. See the chunks of fuel down inside of it. Now let's hit it with some compressed air and some carburetor cleaner externally and see what happens. I suspect water, so let's find out. Ah yes, we'll drain off the bottom of the tank here and see if we can get that water to drain out first, since it's heavier than the fuel. Well, the fuel that came out there looks pretty good. There was some water in the hose, I think. So that'll be just fine. If there was water in it, because water is heavier than gasoline, we'd see a puddle of water at the very bottom of this glass jar. So we'll try a little cheat here. Fish the hose from a carburetor cleaner can up into the center of the jet inside the carburetor and blast through it and see what it sounds like. So that's the sound of a clear jet, so that's a good sign. That does not mean that the idle circuits in the carburetor are clear or that the machine's going to run correctly, but it does have an open jet, so it will run. So we'll pop the bowl back on it really quick and give it a quick test start. It's important to seat the bowl fully against the carburetor. Check that it is square. You can damage the carburetor bowl gasket otherwise, and that's kind of a job stopper. So we'll finesse this bowl bolt back in place and snug it up. I'm holding pressure on the bowl so it doesn't come down out of its seated position, because it's easy to get the bowl a little bit crooked and then crush the gasket. Okay, let's snug up the bowl. Alright, put the spark plug back in it and see if it'll run. Quick reinstall of the fuel hose. Turn the fuel on. Give it a quick shot of carburetor cleaner. Do not use starting fluid, it breaks connecting rods. We'll leave the choke off for a second, just pull it over. That is excellent. We got lucky. It idles, indicating the idle circuit works. When the choke is applied, it has a nice drowning in fuel chugging, so we know that the carburetor is fully open inside and getting as much fuel as the choke can deliver. So I'd say this one is good to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you out.